Hey all, welcome back to yet another crafting tutorial. And today we are gonna make waterfall card. So guys, to begin with, let's cut out the chart papers into required sizes. Here I have taken 5 squares of 6 by 6 centimeters and 5 squares of 5 by 5 centimeters. Along with that, as the base of the card, let's take 6 by 30 centimeter of black card sheet and a small strip of 2 by 15 centimeters. Alright guys, so that's all what we need. So to begin with, let's stick the smaller squares onto the big ones. Similarly, do it for all 5 of them. Now for the base of the card, as we are taking 6 by 6 centimeters of squares here, firstly let's mark 6 centimeters on the sheet and then take at 1 centimeters gap each. You need to fold the sheets at these markings so as to stick the squares later onto it. Alright, so once that's been done properly, let's stick on the squares onto the base sheet. Apply glue towards the end of one side and stick onto the base sheet as I've shown. Guys, make sure that it is done right near to the folding. Likewise, do rest of the squares. Once that's done, just make sure the squares are stuck onto the sheet properly. And now for the small strip. Take it underneath the last square as I've shown here and fold it to the other side. And here guys, I'm sticking the folded strip from the inside, right underneath the last square, and towards the end it must be done. If you move it inside, you will not get a proper waterfall card. So make sure you stick it towards the end just like this, aligned to the end of the square. And that's all guys. Now I'll show you how you need to add it onto a card. Alright guys, hope you liked my tutorial. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. And please follow zakzzworld for all my craft works and zakzzworld for all my artworks. And thank you so much for watching.